Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install latest version of Oracle, that is Oracle 26 AI database on your Windows operating system. So for that, first you need to go to your favorite browser and to type over here Oracle database download. Hit enter. So simply go to the official site of Oracle. Once when you are here, you need to scroll down and you can see that our Oracle database is available for Linux and Windows. So this link I am going to provide right on our video description. Here, depending upon what operating system you are using, you need to proceed with that. I'll just simply click on this Oracle database free for Windows zip file. So you can see it is rightly started downloading. File size is about 1.3 gigabyte. So it's a big file, it's going to take a couple of minutes. Let's wait to get it downloaded. So here you can see that it is rightly downloaded. Just click on this folder. Here is our Oracle 26 AI rightly downloaded. So first I need to extract this. So right click and click on extract all and click on extract. You can see that it is rightly extracted over here. So go inside and you will get all files and folders over here. So all you need to do is you need to double click on this setup.exe. That going to ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes and you can minimize your browser and your directory as well. And there you go. This is our Oracle 26 AI installation wizard. Click on next. You need to accept this license agreement and click on next. This is where our Oracle 26 AI is going to be installed. Totally fine. Click on next. And this is the most important part. Here you need to type your database password and need to remember this password. So whatever you are giving over here, you need to remember that to log into your database. So don't forget this password. So give something that you can remember and click on next. And hit install. That's going to immediately start installing our Oracle. So this installing Oracle will take some time. Let's wait for a couple of minutes over here. And during installation, it's going to ask you to provide this permission so that firewall do not block Java. So click on allow. And there you go. You can see that our Oracle AI database is rightly installed. So just simply click on finish. So now that our Oracle is now rightly installed, let's invoke our SQL Plus. So just search over here and type SQL Plus. So that will show you SQL Plus over here. Click on that. Here it is rightly opened. Here to provide your username. So our username will be system. You type system and your password will be the password that you have given while installing Oracle. Remember, I have told you to remember that. So just type that exact same one. That's going to be not shown over here, but as you press on your keyboard, it will be typed. Nothing to worry, just type your password and hit enter after that. And bingo. You are now connected and now you can run your SQL queries. So let's create a very simple table called create table employee and let's give ID as a column of integer and let's give another column name called name of varchar of 255 characters. Just end with semicolon and hit enter and bingo, you can see our table created. So that's how you can easily execute your SQL command on SQL Plus window. So that's how you install latest version of Oracle 26 AI. Please do subscribe our channel Geeky Script and join our community. That's going to really motivate me to make more this similar kind of videos. And if you're interested on Python, I highly recommend you to follow the School Python project playlist, or if you're interested on WordPress, so for that also I have this video playlist. I'm sure you're going to love each and every single video that I have posted on all these codes. Detailed source code are also available on our official geekyscript.com website. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.